The animation industry now exceeds billions of dollars. The demand is increasing day by day. Even some YouTube creators are earning millions of dollars by making videos with very simple 2D animations. So why are we lagging behind? Let's join the billion-dollar animation industry. And if you are a complete newbie or can't run software like Blender 3D, no need to worry, because we will make animation videos with AI. Our work will be only to give prompts, and everything will be done by artificial intelligence. So let's dive in. Before we begin, we need a captivating story for our video. Don't worry, we'll make it simple for this tutorial. For story generation, we will use ChatGPT. I am giving prompt as write a short adventure story in just 200 words. I am generating a simple short video only for tutorial purpose. You should generate more engaging and unique story for your audience. If you're new to ChatGPT and want to know how to get the best output, I recommend checking out my previous video. I explained how to generate unique and engaging stories using ChatGPT. You can find the link in the description below or click the I button on the screen. If you have any further question, let me know in comment section. I will try to find the solution. Alright, now that we have our story, it's time to bring it to life with animation. For this, we'll be using a fantastic tool called Steve AI. Steve AI is a text-to-video maker that allows you to create both live-action and animation videos from text. It's incredibly easy to use. If you're new to Steve AI, you'll need to create an account. Simply click on the Sign Up for Free button and create an account using your email or Google account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to their creator page where the magic happens. There are several options available here: text to video, text to animation, blog to video, blog to animation, audio to video, tweet to video, and many more. It's really a very cool video generation, AI. But today we will make animation video, so I am clicking on text to animation. Now select your video type. I am selecting animation. Then select video ratio. For YouTube video, always select 69. After that, select video category and your video title. Once you've done that, click on Create Sample Script. Steve AI will generate a sample script based on your story. But before we proceed, let's clear out their sample script. Now let's head back to ChatGPT, copy our adventure story, and paste it into Steve AI. Great. Click Next to continue. Now you have to select a template. Now AI will generate visual and storyboard for us. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. Fantastic. Steve AI has generated scenes for our script. Now it's essential to review each scene carefully and make any necessary changes. Let's go through this together. In the very first scene, we will change the background. First, click on the background footage and then click on Change Background. Here, select one of them which is best choice for your video. Next, change the background color. I am resetting the color as I want the original green backdrop. In Scene 2, our context mentions an ancient map, but the footage isn't relevant to our video. Let's change that. Click on the avatar, then select Change Character. Next, click on Property and choose Ancient Map. Steve AI offers a wide variety of maps to choose from, so pick the perfect one for your story. I am selecting this one. Remember to review all the scenes and make necessary changes where needed. I'll fast forward through this part for time-saving purposes, but I strongly recommend dedicating enough time to editing. Quality editing is crucial to leaving a positive impression on your audience, so give proper time on editing. Excellent. We've completed the visual editing. Now it's time to add a voiceover to our video. You can either record your own voice or use Steve AI's voice generation feature. For this video, I'll use Steve AI's voice. Now select your desired language, accent, and gender for the voiceover. Steve AI offers various voice models to choose from. I'll go with Joanna for this video. Alright, let's click on Generate. Let's play the video to check our voiceover. And so Sarah's legend lived on, inspiring others to embark on their own quests and discover their inner strength. Wow. It sounds incredibly natural. Steve AI does a fantastic job with voice generation. Now that everything is set, it's time to publish our video. Click on Publish and Steve AI will start processing the video. Once it's done, you can download it. Let's fast forward through the rendering process. Okay, our video is now ready. Click on Download. Here we have successfully created our animation video. Let's play the video. In the heart of a dense forest, deep within a hidden cave, lay an ancient map. It was said to lead to a mythical treasure that held unimaginable power. Sarah, a fearless adventurer, stumbled upon the map during her exploration. With her trusty compass in hand, she set off on a quest to find the legendary treasure. The journey was treacherous, filled with perilous cliffs and cunning traps. Sarah's determination pushed her forward as she deciphered cryptic clues and crossed treacherous rivers. She encountered strange creatures and faced her deepest fears, never losing sight of her goal. Finally, after days of relentless pursuit, Sarah arrived at a towering waterfall. According to the map, the treasure was hidden behind it. With a leap of faith, she plunged into the cascading water, emerging on the other side into a hidden cave. It was a small golden amulet, pulsating with ancient energy. She knew it held the power to bring harmony and healing to the world. With the treasure in her possession, Sarah returned to civilization. She used its powers to heal the sick and restore hope to the weary. The adventure had changed her forever, and she vowed to protect the amulet and its magic, ensuring its power was used for the greater good. And so Sarah's legend lived on, inspiring others to embark on their own quests and discover their inner strength. It's quite impressive. Video with minimal effort. You can do it better if you give proper time. So, give maximum effort. Even you are making animation with AI. Okay, now upload the video to your YouTube channel and generate real money. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep animating and stay creative.